Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So today I will show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. So first of all, I try to open my Facebook application via my new Android mobile. So before moving to deleting your Facebook account, we recommend you to download the Facebook data. So once the process is completed, and in this homepage section you can press your profile icon. Then you can scroll down and go to the last page, and then you can click to open this help and support option. So you can click to open it, and in this section you can select help center. So you can select it. So now it shows lots of queries, and in this section you can select managing your account option. So you can select it, and in this account section you can click to open this deactivating or deleting your account option, and the last one. And this time you can click to open how do I delete my account, and the second one. Then you can scroll down, and in bottom I have one option called permanently delete your account. So you can select this link. Then it shows the deletion process begins 14 days after you submit your request. So during this time your account is in a deactivated state, and you can choose to cancel your account. And in bottom it tells about your Facebook post and your photos. So when you delete your account, people won't be able to see it on Facebook. So it may take up to 90 days from the beginning of the deletion process to delete all the things you have posted, like your photos, status updates, or other data stored in backup systems. So in this section you can press that link, and it is highlighted as blue link named as let us know. So you can select this link. So finally it confirms your Facebook account deletion. So here you can type your FB account password. So once the password is entered, finally you can click to submit. Then it shows section expired. Then you can click to OK. So finally my Facebook account is deleted successfully. So this is the way you can easily delete your Facebook account permanently. For more videos you can subscribe my channel Techans, and thanks for watching.